Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to get live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code or live server tutorial for VS Code. So whether you're working on a small project or building a full website, having real-time feedback on your changes can significantly speed up your workflow. So let's get started. But before we begin, just make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. So if you don't have this one yet, you can download this onto their official website. Just go ahead and search for code.visualstudio.com. Now, right after that, just launch VS Code once installed. And then right after, just open your project folder, click onto File, open a folder, and select a folder where your HTML files are located. This will load your projects in Visual Studio Code. Now, it's time to install the Live Server extension. So this is the extension icon here onto the left side. Simply click onto that, and here onto its search bar, we'll need to type in for Live Server. So you should be able to find this one. The first one, just click onto this, and this is its icon. Make sure that this one is installed onto your system so that you could go ahead and have a live server just like this. Now we'll need to go ahead and start the live server, and for us to be able to do so, let's first open an HTML file. We'll click back here onto Explore, and we're going to click onto this one to create a new file under this specific folder. So we're going to go ahead and copy a code in here that I have. Click onto this back again. Let's name this one test.html. Then right after, we're just going to go ahead and simply paste the code here. And here onto its bottom part, you should be able to see a go live option. So this will go ahead and run the live server if you click onto this. Let's click onto that. And as you can see, it has been starting. You'll just have to wait for a pop-up window onto your default browser to go ahead and show the code that you have added. So let's put this one side by side. We could go ahead and update this. You'll just have to click on to save here or Control S. And as you can see, it has updated as well the preview onto the live server. And that is just basically it. You now have a live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code using the live server extension. So this tool is perfect for web developers who want to see real-time updates without constantly refreshing the browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.